I've got the CARAN 76 Luminance 6901 plus 2 full blenders here with me today, and I'm really excited to open these coloring pencils. This is the largest CARAN set of 76 and is the highest quality pencil. Wax based, very creamy lead with realistic color portraits. This is brand new, and this is the back. I haven't opened it because I wanted to show you guys in the video today. As you can see, the details about the pencil, beautifully packaged and looks good quality. What coloring pencils I used to use? I use the PRISMACOLOR pencil. It's a set of 72, but doesn't have the full blender and has 4 less than the CARAN. It's much more used up. It's different lengths. I decided to get something new. I decided to upgrade to the CARAN, and these pencils are wax based as well. They're great sets for lots of subject matter. For example, most of my drawings I use the PRISMACOLOR pencil. Thanos, Ant-Man, Captain Tom Moore, all these were done using PRISMACOLOR pencils. However, I believe PRISMACOLOR pencils are good when it comes to characters, Marvel characters, if you want to draw objects, flowers, any object, because you can get a lot of detail with them when it comes to drawing objects. I use the PRISMACOLOR pencils, and then when it comes to skin tones with CARAN, and that's one of the main reasons I bought the CARAN, because of how detailed you can get the skin tones. The PRISMACOLOR pencil set is a great set for lots of subject matter, portraits, really nice for creating details, and it's very versatile. Those are the things I love about the PRISMACOLOR pencils. However, as you can see, the packaging is thin, not well packaged in my opinion. It's plastic in the end of the coloring pencil, and the wood is exposed at the end. I would say that these are more prone to break compared to the CARAN coloring pencils. I believe that the CARAN has a much nicer finished look. Here's the CARAN coloring pencil. The most expensive set and the largest set they do of 76, the highest quality pencil, wax based, very creamy lead, the highest LFI. Comes in a cardboard box, coating at the back which helps to protect the layer of pencils underneath. This is wax based, so the fine point doesn't last as long. This is the same as the PRISMACOLOR pencil. The good thing about this is you can apply so many layers and glaze, and for skin tone I would recommend CARAN, and that is the main reason I got these sets of coloring pencils. So I'm gonna dive straight into opening the coloring pencils, and I hope you guys enjoy. So as you can see, it has film, a plastic film around it. There we go. Really nice design. The box and everything is really nice, I believe. So we're gonna open it now. 3, 2, 1. This is crazy stuff. This is 76 colors with 2 blenders, and what I really like about this is the velvet coating at the back of the cardboard, which helps to protect the layer of pencils underneath. And I think this is something the PRISMACOLOR pencil set lacks. These are natural colors, thick quality, coating at the end. So you can see, very well packaged, looks quality. There are 3 layers. The layers on the PRISMACOLOR pencils are plastic, as you can see, and you can easily just tear off. However, I believe the CARAN coloring pencils are well packaged, not plastic. If you take off one layer, this is how soothing it is, how satisfying it is to just lift up the layers of coloring pencils. And these are the two blenders I was talking about. So what I like about this is that it's thick and it's quality, and it has this coating at the end which hides the wood and makes it more appealing to look at. Very light in weight compared to most of the pencils I've used in the past. They have an LFI of 80%, which means there is limited fading. So when you sell artworks to customers, it doesn't fade. The white and the black, the two pencils I'm going to use the most. You can buy them on the individual sets instead of buying the whole set again, which I think is really helpful. The reason why I bought this pencil is that they're really good for skin tone, and I believe PRISMACOLOR pencil didn't give me what I wanted in terms of skin and blending. This is wax based, so it has a fine point which doesn't last long. It tends to break easily. There are two types of coloring pencils, oil and wax, and this is the wax type. So it's softer, creamier, and blends more when it comes to soft blending, while oil is much firmer, it's a much firmer lead. The only coloring pencil I know which is oil based will probably be the pastels. The color selection and the things I want to draw makes sense in terms of why I got these coloring pencils, because I'm into realism, I'm into getting good skin tones, and I think these coloring pencils will allow me to access that realm of art. I'll go through most of the tools I used to draw in a future video. I'm gonna test both the CARAN and the PRISMACOLOR pencils. This is the same color. I'm gonna test how they blend and how they differ. So let's begin. First, the PRISMACOLOR pencil. We start light and we slowly get darker. So as you can see, the PRISMACOLOR pencils are not that bad in terms of blending. Like, they're doing the job. But I just wanted like something different. Like, I've been using this PRISMACOLOR pen for a while now. I've done some drawings with them and they were going pretty good. So gave me, they're really expensive, the LUMINANCE, but I believe they're worth the price. The quality of work can get done so much, I believe, greater than the price of the coloring pencils. To get the darker skin tone like here, you need to press quite hard. It doesn't come off easily. I'm trying to get the darkest tones there. Let's dive into the CARAN coloring pencil. There's a big difference. I'm not pressing that hard. You can see how much color is coming out of the pencil. Much more darker. It's kind of rough at the moment. But I'm going to use the blender for the first time to see how it blends the color. Blending nicely, I think. So here are the two coloring pencils. You can see that the CARAN is much more darker. You can get way darker tones with the CARAN. I'm really excited to start using this CARAN pencils to explore realism, and I hope you guys can join me in my journey. I'll see you guys in the next video. Thank you for watching. Please like, please subscribe, and share.